Most people will never admit this, but these 10 habits are silently destroying your intelligence. Number 1, you scroll for hours but can't remember what you watched 5 minutes ago. That's not entertainment. That's your attention span collapsing in real time. Number 2, you get defensive the moment someone disagrees with you. Smart people get curious, weak minds get angry. Number 3, you talk more than you listen. If you're always waiting for your turn to speak instead of actually hearing the other person, you're not learning anything new. Number 4, you avoid anything that feels difficult. Struggling with a problem is literally your brain growing. Avoiding it is your brain shrinking. Number 5, you believe everything you read without questioning the source. In a world full of misinformation, that's a dangerous habit. Number 6, you can't sit in silence without reaching for your phone. If silence makes you uncomfortable, your mind has lost the ability to think on its own. Number 7, you repeat the same mistakes without reflecting on why they happened. Experience only makes you wiser if you actually study it. Number 8, you blame other people or bad luck for every failure. Taking zero responsibility is the fastest way to stop growing. Number 9, you stopped reading the day you left school. Real intelligence is a habit you build daily, not something you finish and forget. Number 10, you care more about looking smart than actually being smart. If even 3 of these hit close to home, don't panic. Awareness is the first step. Now go fix it.